Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh. In All India Medical Sciences Rishikesh, AIIMS Rishikesh, registration for Master of Public Health MPH course for January 2025 session has been started. This is information regarding offline application form MPH January 2025. Launch date is 3rd of October 2024 and last date for online registration is 15th of October 2024. So for AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Rishikesh, Master of Public Health course for January 2025 session, last date for online registration is 15th of October 2024. So in this video, I will give you information regarding AIIMS Rishikesh, Master of Public Health course admission information, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams like AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Jodhpur, PGIMER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Puducherry, NIMHANS Bangalore, IIPH Pune University, Lucknow University, Common University Entrance Test CUT PG 2025, Christian Medical College Vellore, Rajasthan University of Health Sciences Jaipur, and for all other university and institutes which conducts Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA and other competitive exams. And for this, if student want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So for January 2025 Master of Public Health admissions in AIIMS Rishikesh, launch date is 3rd of October 2024 and last date is 15th of October 2024. This is prospectus for All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh. Prospectus, All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh, MPH course January 2025 session. Last date of submission of application with requisite document and fee through registered post, speed post, 15th of October 2024, 5 p.m. So last date of submission of application is with registered post or speed post is 15th of October 2024, 5 p.m. Application fees SC, ST, EWS rupees 1200 plus transaction charges as applicable. Unreserved OBC 1500 plus transaction charges as applicable. PWD exempted from any fee. So in this video, important information regarding AIIMS Rishikesh MPH admission 2025 January 2025 session will be given. This is information regarding about Master of Public Health AIIMS Rishikesh MPH program information, then number of seats, eligible candidates, medical essential qualification seats. So eligible candidates, medical field candidates are eligible. Essential qualification is MBBS or BDS or Ayush alternative system of medicine in India degree. Seats unreserved, total seats are 10. For unreserved 5, OBC 2, SC 1, ST 1, EWS 1. Total number of seats 10. Note proficiency in Hindi up to the 10th standard is desirable as the MPH course at AIIMS Rishikesh involves extensive field work and public interaction. So this is at a glance important points. Last date for submission of application. The duly filled in application along with necessary document, and the applicable fee should reach the examination cell, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Rishikesh, Uttarakhand 249203 on or before 15th of October 2024 at 5 p.m. through registered post or speed post only. Applications sent via courier will not be entertained. Applications received after the last date or incomplete in any respect or not accompanied by the required document information will not be considered. The envelope should be superscribed application for the MPH January 2025 session MPH course. Last date for submission of application up to 15th of October 2024 Tuesday. Email regarding examination up to 4th of November 2024 Monday. Written entrance MCQ examination up to 19th of November 2024 Tuesday. Departmental assessment up to 5th of December 2024 Thursday. Result up to 14th of December 2024 Saturday. So this is the application fee information and mode of payment. Now this is summary of examination pattern. Please see test for details and explanations. Mode of examination, computer based test, CBT, online, OMR. Date of examination 19th of November 2024. So entrance exam will be on 19th of November 2024. Reporting time at examination center 9 am. Location of examination center AIIMS Rishikesh. Language of paper English. Type of written entrance examination and duration objective type 180 minutes. Number of questions, important topics with tentative marks distribution 200 multiple choice questions MCQs. So syllabus is research methodology and biostatics 30 questions, epidemiology 30, population sciences 30, national health program 20, basics of public health 15, basics of nutrition 15, general knowledge 20, logical reasoning 20, computer literacy 20. Marking scheme 1 mark for each correct answer, no negative marking. Now this is the objective of MPH program objectives. At a glance, Master of Public Health, admission to course. Admission to the 9th batch of Master of Public Health course will commence in January 2025. Admission to the course offered at the institute is based on merit determined through an entrance examination conducted by the institute following the issuance of a nationwide admission notice. The admission notice is published in leading national newspapers across India. Duration of MPH course, full-time 2 years course. So this is a full-time 2 years course. Method of selection, admission is based on entrance examination and departmental assessment only. Selection for the Master of Public Health course are made through written entrance, written examination and an interview. Stage 1, a written test carrying 200 marks with a duration of 180 minutes. In the subject the candidates has applied for, the question paper will consist of 200 multiple choice questions MCQs. Candidates scoring more than 50% marks in stage 1 will be considered for stage 2. Stage 2, based on the merit list from stage 1, candidates 3 times the number of seats advertised will be called for a departmental assessment carrying 50 marks. Final selection, candidates who secure 50% marks in stage 1 and 2 combined will be eligible for admission and will be included in the final merit list. Course fee, Indian nationals, rupees 5,440 for the 2-year course. This is a one-time non-refundable payment. So this year course fee is only 5,440 for 2 years. Earlier it was 1,40,000 for 2-year course last year. Now this is information regarding examination during course, joining time, general information. And these are pro forma for other backward class OBC certificate, pro forma for SC/ST certificate, pro forma for economically weaker section EWS certificate. So in this video, information regarding All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh, AIIMS Rishikesh, Master of Public Health Admission 2025, January 2025 session has been given, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams like AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Raipur, Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, JIPMER, NIMHANS, IIPH, Pune University, Lucknow University, Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG 2025, Christian Medical College Value, Rajasthan University of Health Sciences Jaipur, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams. And for this, if student want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Thanks for watching this video.